Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here. Today I'm going to show you a way for you to save a bit of data while playing Pokemon Go. So as you guys know, Pokemon Go uses Google Maps as its world map. So if you go into Google Maps, and what I want to show you is that you can actually go into settings on the top left and choose offline areas. And basically, if you download the whole area that you usually play Pokemon Go in, or you're about to play Pokemon Go in before you actually go, then you can save a bit of mobile data. So I'm currently on Wi-Fi, so I'm going to go into settings first and choose download preferences over Wi-Fi only. And then I'm going to go to storage preferences. I'm going to save on the SD card because there's more space. And then I'm just going to go plus, and I'm going to choose all of Brisbane because I usually play in Brisbane. All right, I usually play in Brisbane, probably a bit not that big. So, yep, it's pretty much all of Brisbane. And then actually maybe a bit bigger than that. Oh, 600 megs. Oh wow, who cares? So just click download, name offline area, Brisbane, and save. All right, and now it's gonna download all of Brisbane and save it on my SD card. So when I'm playing Pokemon Go, it'll use less space. Okay, so that's it'll use less data. Okay, so that's the tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.